Hi everyone, welcome to JVN Testing Tutorials. WBA IT Solutions is hiring for manual testers, freshers in Pune and Bangalore locations. So any graduate can apply for this job like BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BCA, MCA, MSc, CSE or BSc Computer Science or IT with basic understanding of software testing candidates. Any graduate can apply for this job. So you need to have good skills in the manual test cases, execute how to execute the manual test cases, and good to have the identify defects, collaborate with the developers, and good to have the documentations for the test results. So these are the key responsibilities you need to have, like learn and apply software testing principles, methodologies and practices. You need to have execute manual test cases, identify defects and report bugs clearly. You need to collaborate with the developers and QA leads to ensure quality assurance. And you need to support user acceptance testing and regression testing efforts. So these are the key responsibilities you need to have. Coming to eligibility criteria, like educational background, any graduate like BE, BTech, MSc, MCA, CSE or BSc computer science candidates, anyone can apply for this job. So these are the skills you need to require, like basic understanding of software development and testing life cycle. And you need to have good analytical and logical thinking. You need to good in written and verbal communication skills. So these are the skills you need to require. And coming to work location is in hybrid mode. That is 3 days work from office and 2 days work from home. So company is looking for the immediate joiner candidates only, and the interview is in virtual mode, that is in online. Then why are you waiting? If you are interested, please apply for this job. The job link is shared in the below description. Thank you and all the best for who are going to apply and attend the interview.